Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and it is SheModern Saturday. Today, we've got Miss Harley Marie with us. We are going to be playing with some Mustache decals. I know they're mustache, but I like to call them Mustache. So we're going to be playing with a couple of these today. I really think these are so cute and adorable. I seen these and I got them in the rainbow, but I just think they are so cute. So we're going to be playing with these. I have on some white nails, some white polish. Did that off camera just to, get a head start, just to jump. Got 2 coats on, cured those 60 seconds, final cure. Got my decals here, got those soaking. I also am going to be using, let me see. I got some black polish here. Gonna put me a little drip here. And I have some pink. Okay, we're going to put this off to the back right there. In my triangle, I am going to put me one, ouch. Sorry, I hit an itch. One red gem. And then, these are all different colors, right? Let's see, the purple, or I think, well, let me see. Oh. Gotta see what I'm working with. Okay. My decals, I'm sure, are ready. They have been soaking since I've been talking. So we are going to dab in, swipe off the backing. Whoops. And there we have our mustache. Dab it off on something lip free. And I'm going to line it up on the nail. Right where I want it. Hopefully. Where's my other thingy? Here we go. Smooth it out. This does have a tacky layer from the polish, so it does help it stick. I'm gonna take my you know what, I'm having such a hard time. Good Lord. So let it even work. Good Lord Almighty. Not anybody would caught that. Anybody just catch my big old boo-boo I did? Forgot to dab off. I think the last nail I'm going to wait till I get to. I'm going to go in with my palette. Give me a big old ball of black. There we go. I need a paper towel. And let trees are across the room, so paper towels, man, that's the next big thing right now, right? I'm gonna get the other end. I hope I'm in frame. I hope I'm in frame. Oh, looks like he's got a black eye. Oh, man. Well, let me see what I can do here. Let me pause this while I grab something. Alright, we are back. Cleaned off that eye. Got me a striping brush. So we're gonna go in and hope for the best with this, because I don't know. Shoot. Shoot, shoot, shoot. You know, we're just gonna wipe the whole thing off there again. Oh, he looks so sad. My right hand is no good, but that is funny. I don't know if you could see, but that was funny. That poor fella. Well, I'm gonna stick this in for a flash cure. Whoops. I'm sure I'm not done with that, so I'll keep that out in handy. How funny was that? Well, yeah. So I gotta clean the brush now with that. How funny was that? I hope you found it funny, because I surely did. I surely did. Okay. On our next nail, we are going to top coat it right off the rip. There we are. We're gonna let that cure for a good 30 seconds, and we will be right back. Alrighty, we are back. We're gonna do our last face. Oops. Guess I should put my mustache on. There we go. Smooth mustache. Give him an eyeball. Should we give him another eye? See if we can do this again. We'll try. Even though we're up a foot too high, right? Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. Don't know what I was thinking. Don't know. Don't know. Yeah, we're just gonna forget about the eye. We're just gonna make him look silly, and we're not going for that. We're not going for that look. So we're going to stick him in for a flash cure. I'm sorry to put you through all that. That was not necessary. I don't know what I was trying to do, but it did not work out. Me and the free-handedness don't go well, and I tried though. I tried. So we're going to be top coat and putting some gems on, and I think calling it a day. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Don't forget to click the bell. And I'm having a giveaway going on. Started a few days ago. So look for that video. It's open to everyone. And I wish everyone good luck. What are we gonna do here? Sure, these are all the same color, I think. Okay, I'm gonna flash cure this one. Gotta get some flash curing in on these, or they're gonna slip and slide around on me, because that's how they usually do. So, better be safe than sorry. Top coat the ring finger again. If I haven't already. Do not top coat your gems. I'm sure you all know about that it takes the sparkle away. I've had some people debate me on that one, but I don't know. It's what I was taught. Just what I was taught. Well, I think this turned out pretty cute, except for my little mishap with trying to make an eyelash and all. I tried. It was funny. I can laugh about it. I can laugh about it, so that's alright. So we're going to stick these in. Give these a full cure. And call it a day. Well, we are back fresh out of the oven. Our mani is excuse me, complete and finished for today. I think they turned out pretty cute, even though I had the mishap with the brush and the daddy tool. But I tried. I thought it was hilarious. But they came out cute anyways. It is what it is. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below with your thoughts. Check out my giveaways that I have currently going on. There's a couple right now, I think. I know this one I just started it. The other one I draw on, I think, the 15th. You still have time to check them both out. Well, have a blessed day, and thank you.